You're going to want to start with a piece of fabric, and you also need some batting. You're going to want to cut 2 hearts out of the fabric and make sure the hearts are the same size so that they fit well together. Okay, now I forgot to mention that this video is because people requested a tutorial on the human-sized heart bag I made, but I didn't feel like making a new human-sized heart bag because that's a lot of effort, so I'm just making this tiny one, which I kind of gave up on in the middle. So wow, not to brag or anything, but I was an art teacher, so my cutting skills are so great. That's why everything is totally symmetrical. And then I just fold the heart in half so it's even on both sides. Also, can you guess who I'm making this little tiny bag for? Also, is it even going to turn into a bag? Stay tuned to find out. Alright, and then we have both of our heart pieces ready to sew. For your lining, you're going to want 2 more pieces of the same size of hearts. Okay, then you're going to want to make a sandwich. You're going to just put batting under, which you can cut into the shape of the heart, and then you're going to put the other heart on top, right sides together, and then you're going to sew all the way around, leaving a tiny space opening. So I'm probably going to leave an opening like right here, about this much. Okay, this is slightly hard to sew and hold this, but this is what you're going to do. You're going to sew around the edge, leaving a seam allowance. Eee! And I can't do the rest holding this, so you'll see in a moment. Alright, so I sewed the right sides together, leaving the batting here, and then I'm just going to turn it right sides out. If you're making a human-sized bag, this will be a lot easier, but this one is a teeny tiny bag. Okay, now you have a heart, and it's right sides out, and it looks like this on each side, and then the batting is in the center there, which my camera phone thingy-majigger is not showing anything, but whatever. Then you're just going to want to close up this little guy by tucking in the seams, and then you're going to want to do a little quilting on top. You're just going to sew line, 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 boom. Okay, now essentially you have a tiny heart, and technically you want to make 2 of these, and then you would want to make some fabric on the side and some straps and stuff. I'm only going to do the straps and the ruffles because I low-key don't really feel like making this, so this is all that's going to happen. But stay tuned to find out. Okay, then we're going to want to find some ruffle. This is the ruffle I found that was the smallest that matched this. Then you're just going to want to sew the ruffle all the way around the edges, which I shall show you in just 1 second. Okay, now I have a ruffled heart. I want to finish this as quick as possible because I kind of didn't want to do it anymore. I thought it was a great idea before I started, and then I was kind of bored of it, so then I wanted to rush through it. But all I'm going to do is say that basically you want to make 2 of these, and then you kind of put them together, this is the back, and then you can add a handle. I'm just going to add a handle, and that's going to be it, so stay tuned to see that. Okay, and here is essentially the finished purse. See, it has a handle, it's more like an ornament now. Let's see if the client likes it. Hey buddy, do you want to try out this purse I made you? Look! Look! Do you like it? Oh! You don't like it? You don't like it? Look! You can even hold it, look! See? See? You can hold the purse! Just my little man and his purse. Oh, he dropped it. That means he did not like it. Oh! You don't eat this. No, no.